Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the Seagate Codebreakers Challenge with me, John Chase. In the next few videos, we're going to be teaching you how it's possible to encrypt your own messages so that you can share information privately. Communication, whether done digitally or in person, is totally reliant on the ability to encrypt messages, and it's done for all kinds of reasons. Every language is a code. You can understand the words I'm saying now because you learned this code when you first learned to talk. Actually, you could say that someone who speaks in a foreign language is actually the best code talker of all. In World War II, the US military was able to make a code from the Navajo language, and they was able to send top secret battle information that the enemy weren't able to understand. This is because the Navajo language was a language that was rarely spoken in America, let alone outside America. In World War II, the British mathematicians were also working hard to decipher messages made by the German Enigma machine. Now, these cryptologists done really well and was able to solve that code, which was a huge benefit to the Allied war effort. But codes and ciphers aren't just about gathering military intelligence. The language that our computers use to send commands is also written in a code. Our modern communications continually rely on them. You may have heard of binary code, a series of ones and zeros that tell Facebook to share your picture when you click share. Well, computer programmers also have a language, one that allows the computer to interpret our words as ones and zeros. So every time you try and send a tweet, you don't have to put in all those ones and zeros, you can just put in the word, and it does it for you. Codes are really important when it comes to sharing data online. We share almost everything online. Whether it's credit card details when you want to do some shopping, whether it's personal information in your emails, or even if it's your passwords when you're trying to do online banking. Banks have really complex methods for ensuring that anybody can't just access our bank details and go and book a One Direction ticket in our name. Now, this really complex method employs the use of an algorithm which finds the prime factors of a really huge number. Underpinning code making is maths. See, it's all a numbers game, and one that companies like Seagate, who have to store huge files and data, use on an everyday basis. Now, over the next couple of videos, I'm going to be explaining how codes are made and showing you how you can make your own. Then we want you to make your own code and put it to the ultimate test. Could you have stopped Edward Snowden from leaking those top secret files from the NSA with your unbreakable code? Well, let's see. We want you to make videos no longer than 5 minutes, which take your code out into the real world. You could try a street challenge, where you film people trying to crack your code in the quickest time. Or you could be a bit fictional and a bit creative with it. You could set up a scene where you're working for the government and you've got to intercept top secret messages so that your government and your country is safer. It's up to you. Be as creative and wild as you like. Well, what are you waiting for? Let's get to it.